How to make a one-pot chicken and veggie pasta. Let's get into it. In a pot, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil, and then cook one 16-ounce package of pepper and onion mix. Yes, you can use a regular pepper and a regular onion if you so choose. I just use this for convenience. Cook it until everything's nice and soft. Mince about 2 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using this chopper. Feel free to add about 1 pound of diced chicken. It will cook as it's going. Add your minced garlic to the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and mix well to combine.